Okay, so I had to put this part on another video. I went back to unpause the previous one and it just totally ended the video. So hopefully you've already done this one and you're just coming back here to check your work. So if I plug a 0 in for here, we have x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. So we have 0 plus 3 times 2 times 0 plus 1. Working inside the parentheses, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. We still have the 3 and the 0 plus out here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Rewriting everything else. So now we have 0 plus 3, which is 3. Okay, so now if we did the same thing for the number 1, so we have, I'm just going to use it from here, so we have 1 plus 3 times 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2. We still have the plus 1. Rewrite everything else. 2 plus 1 is 3. Rewriting everything else. 3 times 3 is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. And then when we put 2 in, so 2 plus 3 times 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Still have the plus 1, rewriting everything else. 4 plus 1 is 5, rewriting everything else. 3 times 5 is 15, so 2 plus 15 is 17. Okay, so then let's try it here with the 7x plus 3. I'm going to do that down here. So we have 7x plus 3. And the first one we're trying is 0. Okay, so 7 times 0 plus 3 gives us 3. Next we had 1, so that's 3. Then we had 1, so it's 7 times 1 plus 3. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10, which is what we had on the other. And then for the number 2, we have 7 times 2 plus 3. So we have 14 plus 3. We have 17, which is also what we had here. So far, those expressions look to be equivalent. Okay, so using properties. So we have x plus the 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. It's the given. So then from here, what would we do? We would have to do the 3 times the 2x, so we're distributing, and then the 3 times the 1. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. So that's distributive property. And then combine like terms. So our like terms, we have an x and a 6x. So combine those, we get 7x plus 3. So that's combine like terms. And 7x plus 3 is what this is equivalent to. That's what we just solved, and it's the same with what we started with. Okay, now we're supposed to just graph the ordered pairs. So we have 0, 3, 1, 10, 2, 17. So for the first column, it was 0, 3. So over 0 up 3, over 1 up 10, and over 2 up 17. Okay, and then if I use, let's say maybe I use pink, but the ordered pairs are the same. So it's silly to go through and do this again because I get them right on the same spot. They will both create the same line. Obviously, they're in the same identical spot. So there the graph shows us as well.